going on, guys? We got a 2020 Freightliner M2, and we have a no start condition. We have no clicking. We have nothing at the starter. I don't hear no clicks, no nothing. Now I already went up under there, hit the starter, make sure I jumped it at the starter with my test leads and everything working. And I was able to find the power circuit for the starter, which is this one here. And we back probed it and found out we have our 12 volts here, but we don't have 12 volts at the starter, causing a no start condition. So for things like this, I normally use my power probe open circuit finder. It was a little pricey, but in my opinion, worth it, because I have a lot of jobs like these, so it was worth it in my opinion. And I'm going to show y'all. Let me get this off here. I'm going to go ahead and I got it hooked up here, fancy little ground wire, and it comes with the transmitter. So you can put the sensitivity up, high, low, and once you get near the circuit, you can hear the sound. So on this one here, I'm gonna go ahead and put back up our connector here. Alright guys, so we got our little back probe hooked up. You see here, whenever you get close to the wire, it turns on. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and fault. Alright guys, so after using this, I kind of went ahead of myself here, but so right here by the starter, I found the broken wire. It's held on by the zip tie, and actually there was another zip tie. It's right here. This was actually around all of this, which caused the rub in the wire. So right below the starter right here, the big white zip tie, you can see where right here it was rubbing. Yep, right there was our problem. Alright guys, make the wiring repair, see if she works. There we go. All I gotta do is tie up some wires that I had left over, but put my panel back on, but that's about it. Here's a 2020 M2. Alright, thanks guys. Like, comment, subscribe.